Just for a little concept on the map, Hurricane, Tays Valley, Scott Depot, all the same region. This is just where it expanded.
We are going to win the costume party at a disco contest.
I did some research, and there's a rising rate of mortality when it comes to just general accidents, and a lot of that is involving children. So I think it would be helpful to do educational programs on just general safety of children and teaching the kids different things about safety, like when riding their bikes or skateboarding or whatever it is they're wanting to do. And also I think that just generally getting the elderly involved in the community and keeping them active as well would be beneficial to this area. Okay, I think that some of the disadvantages would be like there aren't a lot of places where they're growing their own foods and stuff like that, so they have to bring in produce from surrounding areas. So food wouldn't be as fresh as it would be if they just grew it here.
Through growing up in Hurricane, it's taught me a lot about like family life, and I've built a lot of relationships through friends and things like that. It's a good place to get to know people. It's a really low crime rate, all that stuff, and it's just a good place to live in between Huntington and Charleston.
I live here in the wonderful town of Hurricane. I really love this town. It's a great town. It's like John said, it's really family oriented. It's a growing, prosperous area. There's lots of new restaurants coming in. A lot of people, there's like the Putnam Farmers Market, which is great all summer long. You really have good access to lots of healthy food options, which is becoming like a new thing. There used to be like a farm co-op thing that you could get products from local farms around, get all their food. They brought it pretty much to your door. They quit that, but there's still a few other farms that you can get stuff from. There's a local butcher. They get like all local meats. There's all sorts of stuff if you really want to be healthy. Behind me is a garden that they put in, like a community garden, and I guess next year they're like building it this year, so maybe next year I guess they're really going to start. You can like get your little space and you use whatever you want to grow whatever you want, so it really gives people an opportunity to grow things. And one of the problems I think that we have here, and I learned this more than anything from home health, is I think that we have a little dilemma. It's really a young town, but there are still pockets of elderly people here, and unfortunately we have good sidewalks like on Teays Valley Road, but you get anywhere else and the traffic even on Teays Valley Road is so heavy, it's so dangerous, and there's no public transportation here. Your only option is to walk, which is really dangerous, or to drive. So for elderly, if they can no longer drive, they just have no other option but a nursing home. And then there's no programs like to help them maintain their housing. And in Hurricane, they're really, really, really strict on maintaining housing here. Not so much like on the Teays Valley end, but on this end, they're really strict. Like your grass can't be more than 6 inches tall. There can't be clutter and junk everywhere, or else they'll fine you. So I think for the elderly, that's like a major disadvantage. I know Henson Center, they do like Meals on Wheels and stuff, but and I think they help them with like programs and stuff, but you have to be able to get there or you stay at Henson Center, and it makes it really difficult. So I think we need some help, a lot of help really, for our elderly. I think that's where we're really missing.
In terms of the strengths of this community in Hurricane, I think that we're a community of people with a passion for people who can't do for themselves, especially the Christmas season. Reaching out to people who have lost jobs or displaced or whatever, and helping them to have a Christmas, literally buying Christmas dinner and cooking it and taking it into homes for Christmas, making sure people have gifts for their children, or the adults in the family at least having some basic needs met. And that might be paying their electric bill, their water bill, getting them some work clothes, helping them find a job. This community, I think, is very passionate about reaching out to people that are less fortunate. And I would say that's a definite strength, right to the heart of this community.
Okay, how about problems?
And problems, I would think, that is not just general to this area, unfortunately, but statewide, is the drug epidemic. And where that hits us is, there have been a lot of break-ins into people's homes, into people's vehicles, and then people who are trying to get drug money take that stuff to pawn shops, cash it in, and get cash for more drugs. I mean, it's becoming very prevalent in this small town community, where you would just used to hear a lot about that in Huntington and Charleston. I mean, now it's next door. And so that's an ever-growing problem in this area.
Some of the positive things about Hurricane is it's close to the interstate. We're right between Huntington and Charleston, and it's about the only place in West Virginia that has money still, other than Morgantown. Negative about Hurricane is we can expand much greater. All the good development sites are gone because we have hills on one side and train tracks on the other, so it pretty much limits us.